All right, everybody, welcome back. So I'm headed to the shop right now. I'm gonna meet my dad. We're gonna get the recovery trailer with the landing bags and all our equipment. We've got a 75,000 pound drill rig on its side between New Meadows and McCall, and it's gonna be quite the rollover. Luckily, it's not like blocking the road. They said they were able to get it. It went on a side road kind of, so it's not blocking the whole highway. But we'll be bringing our rotator and our 35-ton straight stick, our other heavy, along with the recovery trailer and a bunch of equipment. So yeah, it's about a 3.5 hour drive probably with truck, so it'll be a little bit of a drive, but we're excited, so we're heading that way. Okay, we got our recovery trailer loaded up and we're out of here. Andrew's gonna be probably a good hour ahead of us, but that's okay, because one of the things they were worried about was the drill rig being chained to the frame of the thing so it doesn't twist. So Andrew's gonna be working on that until we get there. The rotator's probably 20 minutes ahead of us, so we'll start heading that way.
1, 2, 3, come on!
Howdy. At least we got some pretty views, huh? Yeah, the rotator is a bunch of cones.
Okay, Dustin, what we're going to do is I'm going to back up the rotator. I know you got an angle here. So I got to swing out as far as I can on that front nose.
Okay.
No, I don't got it.
Do you,
I got to lift it.
do you want to boom over the top and then come straight down?
I got to lift it. So I want to lift here. So lift it up. I have control of this to shove it into that saddle. So we can chain it.
Okay.
Otherwise, that comes unfolded.
I see. Yeah, true. And it'll sit there and twist and flex when we try and turn it over.
Tear the tower right out of it.
Okay, I got you.
Up here, and we'll take it down, rig it out, and then I'll be hands.
So think of this rig as your first girlfriend. Be real gentle.
Oh, we always are.
We're going to try and rebuild it.
Cool. Yep. We always are. We use, I don't know if he told you yet, but we have landing bags, so this thing will just come over really soft and slow on our landing bags. So yeah, we'll be real gentle. We always are. What were you going to say, Mike?
I'll just lift right here, I think.
To get that back in its saddle, then chain it in? Okay. All right.
This guy.
Just the hell out of everything.
Right.
I don't want to be like
Whew, a lot of snow here.
Yeah. You might find some of our parts swung out.
Yeah, probably. Really?
Oh yeah.
Jeez.
Hit head on that boulder.
Oh,
Head
man. Crazy.
Who was driving? A young kid about, I think,
How's
28.
How's he doing?
Cut his forehead right here, and I think he's got a couple of 3 broken ribs.
Oh, okay. He could have been a lot worse. So.
Yeah, we got him out. He's
Good.
walking, talking.
Good.
Taking him to the hospital.
Oh, good.
The ambulance checked him out, and he didn't want to ride in the ambulance.
Oh.
He didn't want to pay that bill.
Yeah, I'll grab a chain and we'll go through that. Come on, what'd he say? Okay. 1/2 inch.
Ready?
Yeah, wire out.
Out. I did. Should have it.
Okay, got it. Okay, we're gonna need a snatch block to go to that chain, so I'll grab a blue one. Free spooled. Okay, Mike, your hooks are on blue. So what we're doing here is lifting this unit up so that we can get this boom part to sit in its saddle, and then we're going to chain it up, because if you don't do that, this thing will twist like crazy. And so we're lifting, and then we'll chain it down to the frame or something solid, and then we can go ahead with our rollover. Okay, go ahead, Mike.
What's that chain rated for? Oops,
That's not gonna work. You probably have to go more than that.
Yeah, you have to go.
There you go. There you got it. There you go. She's lifting. How much weight you got there?
That chain isn't rated for that anymore. Remember how we break them on the corners? No, I don't know.
How much weight you have there, Mike? 21,000? Close there, Andrew?
Keep going a little bit more, another couple inches or so.
How much weight do you have now?
That will probably clear it once it gets, unless it moves down. But I don't know how we get this back up here.
You guys have a big ratchet come along or something and look to the bumper and throw a strap around that and try to ratchet it in?
Yeah, we could always do a chain binder and chain. Yeah. We'll just hold it there and get a chain and a chain binder.
Hey, do you think it's okay we go and get those buckets out of there so we don't crush them in there?
I'll get them.
Okay, that's not easy. Well, I just use that white liner to pull it over.
Yeah. Okay, coming down. Go a little bit more with the weight. Is that trying to come towards us at all? Okay. So we just about have that cradle in there, and that's why we're lifting and chain binding it in. Just about have that. And then the plan is to put 15, ours are heavy, right here, and it'll pull the front axle downward pull, and then the rotator is there, but it's going to be like right here, and it'll do the drag winch on the rear axle pulling down, and then we'll boom over the top of it like this and grab this drill rig, the boom part, and that way we'll pull at the same time as this thing comes over, same pull, and then we'll have our landing bags here and here because they want to salvage this truck, so we're trying to make it come over as slow as possible. And so that's where we're at this point.
Okay.
All right, let her down.
Front end's about 18,000.
What's that gap look like now?
It got a little bigger, but
Just on the top side, it moved in on the bottom.
yeah, moved in on the bottom. So now we just a few more clicks and we got that in.
It might be really tight. I don't know, there might be more friction on it.
Could be, probably is actually, because that chain tightened as it loosened down. So, I mean, you got like 1/4 of an inch. I mean, if we can get it a little tighter, we can, but if not, that's fine.
Probably try a little bit, just see what it feels like, just so we know. I don't want that chain.
Yeah, it's oh, okay, good. It's looser, so yeah. Yep. They just finished getting it all the way in the saddle, and then we'll start positioning trucks and get this thing over before we lose daylight. Okay, go ahead. We're losing daylight fast here, so I got all our lights ready to go. We're repositioning him. Andrew went up the mountain to come back down to reposition, and we're gonna try to be rigged as soon as he's ready to go. So as soon as he's here and kind of in that lane, we're ready to go right now. So we're gonna start rigging and get this ready to come over. Oh, he's coming already. Nope. Nope, pull up right in here. We're not ready yet. Found a spot quicker than I thought you would. That'll work. And we're just gonna do the front axle tie down, and then we're getting pretty close. I want to get the rotator perfectly ready before we bring you in though. Oh, cool. Thanks. Okay, yeah, we got some waters.
Green, blue can,
Yeah.
passenger side.
Okay, cool, thanks. Is it going? Yeah.
Flip that over.
Oh, sure. It'll probably just do it again, but thanks. Okay. You get both sides. There's a snatch block. Yeah. That's enough, I think. It's all right. Let me just get Blue here and then go ahead and bring her out to me and I'll get it hooked. Yeah, just like that. Okay, that's good. Blue's hooked. Man. Let's see, I'll have to some more out of white. Okay, Mike, you're hooked. Ooh, it's slick up here. Okay, go ahead and put tension on them and then I'll check, make sure they're gonna be okay. Okay, oh yeah, perfect. Yep. Oh yeah, you got it. I think we're a little bit close to this exhaust pipe, but I think it's gonna be all right. It should be okay. Yeah, true. Actually, that's better now anyway. Okay, Mike, that's good. We're set there. Let's get that drag hooked. Just one. Yeah, if you have two good ones, just bring two, but. Your wheel lift is. I got you. Okay. Okay, even closer. Yeah. Yep, we may have to. Okay, Andrew's ready, Mike's ready. Okay, hang on, let Andrew catch up. I want that. The outrigger, yeah, it is.
This is what's getting.
Yeah, this is sliding.
That's the problem.
Yeah, that is. Because usually tires would bite in, the rubber would bite into the road, but that outrigger's crap. Yeah, that is what it's doing. Yeah. Gotta move these bags. Okay, you want Andrew to pull? No, we're sliding. No, it's not the timbers. Yeah. I think you're gonna need to let off on the green, because green's not doing anything. We should unhook green. Yeah, it's off the ground. Hey, okay, just slow down, everybody. Hang on. Andrew, are you pulling right now? Okay, let's make sure that the bags are set, because we've got it where we want it now. Okay, right? That looks good. You might need to... Okay. Not yet, Mike. Just hold it. Okay, Dad, is it set where you think those needs to be? I don't have to... It'll stay where it's at, so let's just wait. That was a good idea with the wood. We got the wood to prop up on that stupid outrigger that kept sliding. We got her. Yes. Okay, Mike. Okay, but you got it. Everybody go really, really slow. Andrew, go at the same time. All right. Come on, baby. Yeah, a little slower, Mike.
Let off on the, well, I don't know about
That's what I was worried about. Okay. Hang on. Speed car's coming. Watch your back. You got it. You're going to be okay, Andrew. It's not going to hit you. We're good. When you stand up, just make sure there's no cars coming behind your back, because they're coming. Yeah, we're good here. Okay, pickup's coming. Okay, let off a little bit there, Dad. Not so much air. Yeah. Watch your back, watch your back. Okay, let off on the bags. Yeah, baby. Nice and easy. Keep letting off, Mike. There we go. Awesome, nice and slow. Okay, keep watching your back. There's cars coming. Whew. $68,000.
I had another record pick that up.
Yeah, it's just a 3-axle. I think 15 can tow it. Okay, we're gonna de-rig now. And we're gonna hook this thing up and tow it to Caldwell. All right, and we're about out of here. Thanks for watching, everybody. As always, like and subscribe, and God bless. See you on the next one.